Hi guys, it's Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry with a very simple link today. You can make amazing earrings, or it can be a part of your necklaces. They can be separately attached with the jump ring, or you can also create a long strip with that. So if you're interested to see how I make that, pick up some wires and let's wire wrap. So I promise it will be very easy. All we need is two components here. And what we need is just two of these. It's so simple. So what we need, I use my veil maker pliers, the largest one. And you just follow the largest one. When they meet, I use my pliers. Exactly where they meet, I push this way. And I like to be consistent, so I will do exactly the same tail how it was on the previous one. So that will be, I will measure for you guys if you want to make exactly the same one. Let's see. So the tail is 1/2 inch. And all you have to do is just hammer, because they just made this one. Hammer nicely, so you will end up with two. For the one component you need two of those. And what you do, you just put the end through the circle, align them nicely. Then we need round nose pliers. Oops. Round nose pliers. And I will just make start like small loop here. And then with the pliers, you just push this, and you can also a little bit more navigate if you want it with your other pliers, and just push it down. So all you have is this. So let's keep the frame here attached to that one. The same at the other end. So you will have this little weird component. The only thing is, because we have open loop, I usually press it, and because for me, where I tied it around this part and this facing up, this will be my front of the component, and that will be the left side. So on the left side, I always push this little wire inwards, so it will not catch any clothes, because here you will put the bead and it will be secured. See, I pushed it already, so it's inside. I hope you can see. So there is like a flat side. Now we need 24 gauge wire, just a small tiny piece. You can also push a little bit together when you tied it. Just make sure that it looks symmetrical, right? Okay, now we need 24 gauge. I'll put inside, leave a little tail, and just connect here. Then any bead you want. I will use the blue one. Oops, just like I had the necklace, the blue. Okay, so we have the blue one. We can fill inside there. And I hold it and just stitch it to the frame. Wire wrap, attach twice. Now, if I want to make these guys, I will just make two connection from both sides. So I will use my round nose pliers. I always do twice. Go back and just finish your wire here. Cut and make sure you tight your end right there. Okay, so that's the one. Same with the other side. If you're scared you need more wire, you can also leave it a little longer tail if you don't like to work with very tiny pieces of wire. I just don't like to cut too much, so that's why I always make it tiny. And here is the second one. So now that's ready for my attaching to any, like you can make 4, like I did necklace. I added 4 of them with the jump rings between. The necklace that I made, let me go back to my original ones. When I made this one, when I connect one bead, I was keep going, adding all those 4. Then I go around and stitch wherever how you wanted to stitch, so it will be just stitched together. I just go around the bead and then I stitch in those little corners. It's all one wire. Also, because it's almost Valentine's Day, I thought I want to do something with a heart. So I attached the same component that I just show you how to make. I attach with the heart. And I put a little bead there. And the other heart at the end. Can be done amazing earrings with that. I was thinking to make more pairs later. Just adding, instead of the stick, I might use like elongated beads or cluster over the little beads around. You know, you can be very, very creative with that. I think it's just a fantastic little component that you can enjoy adding to your jewelry, especially in the long necklaces. I know here it's a little mess now, but I want to show you how I create this one. So it doesn't have any clasp, but it has 4 of these components. Then I break with these beads. Add again 4 beads, and then I made herringbone stitch here around, same sort of color wire bead. 1, again some beads like a rosary length, and those 2 herringbone stitch with 1 component. I think it's cute. It's just, it can be worn. You can put whatever how you want. You can wear it different ways. I love it. Guys, I hope you like that one. I know it's again very simple element. Hopefully will be very useful and you can make amazing stuff. Leave me a comment below. I would love to hear what you guys thinking. and see you next Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching. See you next Tuesday again.